I'd like to ask Dr. Garg to come up and say just a short welcome in Veda or in Sanskrit or in Hindi. I'm not sure. I learned quite a few lessons when he was on the radio show, but this is Dr. Garg, and he will just do a brief, and then we'll go on with Anita.
Namaste. In my culture, because it is multicultural, multinational poetic show, so in my culture that is derived around 10,000 years back from Vedas. So I would like to welcome all you from the traditions of my culture, derived from Vedas. There are two very powerful mantras in Veda. One is Gayatri mantra and other is from Gita. Whether you believe in God or not hardly matters. These two mantras tell you what you are. And even if you believe in God, fine. And even if you don't believe in God, you can replace the word God by I. I means me, I. So, the first is Gayatri mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvasvah Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. This is in Sanskrit and I will translate in English. I again repeat that wherever God, if you don't believe in God, replace the word God by I. In Sanskrit there is one sentence, Aham Brahmasmi, means I am the God. O my supreme soul, the protector in all extreme conditions, who is ever existent, free from all pains and sorrows, who is creator and energizer of whole universe, who is ever pure and purifier. Let us embrace that supreme who will direct our mind in right direction. And another philosophy in Gita, Bhagavad Gita, Nayanam chidanti shastrani, nayanam dahati pavaka, na chainam kledantyapo, na shoshati maruta. Those who believe in God and those who don't believe. It's for all means everyone. That is, the soul or my spirit can never be cut into pieces by any weapon, nor can it be burned by fire, nor moistened by water, nor withered by the wind. And few days back I met Neil. He translated the summary of Gita in his visiting card, Neil Royne. He says, I am the ritual. I means God or I. I am the ritual and the worship, the medicine and the mantra, the butter burnt in fire, and I am the flames that consume it. I am the father of universe and its mother, essence and goal of all knowledge, the refiner, the sacred Om, and the threefold Vedas. I am the beginning, I am the end, I am the origin, I am the dissolution, refuse, home, true lover, warm, imperishable seed. I am the heat of the sun. I hold back the rain and release it. I am death, I am deathless, and all that is or not. That is by Neil, but beautiful summary of Gita.
Thank you so
With this,
much.
I welcome you.
You'll be
Thank you.
back, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.